Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope all of you fine. Let us start today's video. My today's topic: multiplication of decimal by 10 or multiples of 10. In this video, I will tell you how we will multiply any given number by 10, 100 or 1000. In this order, let us see one example here. 2.4. If you are going to multiply it by 10, how you will multiply? Here is decimal point and here is 10. I am going to tell you one short method, short trick by which you can just multiply by seeing the numbers. First you multiply it by 10. 0 4s are 0, 0 2s are 0, 1 4s are 4, 1 2s are 2, 0 4 2. This is long method. By this all of you familiar. By this method you can get answer 240. Here is one decimal point. You can keep decimal at last. Take one more example. 3.5. Multiply it by 100. See the long method of multiplication here. 3.5. Multiply by 100. 0 5s are 0. 0 3s are 0. 1 5 and 0. 0 0 3s are 0. 1 5s are 5. Here 1 place, and in the 3 step leave 2 place. 1 5s are 5 and 1 3s are 3. 0 0 5 0 5 3. Write this here. 3 5 0 0. Here decimal at 1 point. In answer, keep decimal at 1 point. What you see in both two results here? When you are multiplying it by 10, 1 0 comes at end of this number. In second one, if you are multiplying 3.5 by 100, 2 zeros come in last end of the number. Then you can make one formula. If you are multiplying any number by 10, 100 or 1000, you need to increase 1, 2 or 3 0 in this case. If you are multiplying by 10, increase 1 0 in the given number. If you are multiplying by 100, keep 2 0 at last end. If you are multiplying by 1000, keep 3 0 at last end. Like this you can multiply any given number. Second, if there is decimal point, what change will come in decimal points? If you will multiply decimal number by 10, decimal place will move 1 place right side. If you are multiplying decimal number by 100, decimal place will move 2 place right side. If you are multiplying decimal number by 1000, decimal point will move 3 place right side. Okay? So, like this you can multiply any given number by seeing the number only. No need to multiply in long method. Now let us start exercise 5F. Here are 3 questions. Fill in the blanks to multiply the decimal number by power of 10. Power of 10 means here 10 power 2, 10 power 3, 10 power 4, 10 power 2 means 100, 10 power 3 means 1000, 10 power 4 means 10,000. Yes, we are seeing one example, 5.67 by 10. If you are going to multiply it by 10, no need to multiply with long multiplication method. Simply move decimal at one place, right side. 6.7. Here you are going to multiply the number by 100. Decimal place will move 2 place right side. That's before I told you. So 567.0. Here decimal here. 1 place, 2 place. So now decimal point after 7. And in last no digit there, you can keep 10. By 1000. Here decimal. By in 1000 there is 30. So decimal place will move 3 place right side. For this 5, 1 place, 2 place, 3 place. Now decimal, then you can keep 0. This is the answer. Like this you can solve all part of question number first. Fill in the blanks. A 1.35 by what number you will multiply, that answer will come 13.5. Here 1.35 and answer 13.5. See the decimal place. Here decimal at 2 place from right side. Here decimal at 1 place. It means decimal shifted 1 place right side. Then by what number it would multiply? By 10. For 1 place it before multiplied by 10. In second number, decimal at 3 place here. Now it is moved 1 place, 2 place here. After 7 and here before 2. Then how many places? 2 and 7. 2 places? 2 places? Here decimal. It means 2 places means by what number it is already multiplied, that is containing 20. It means it is 100. Like this you can guess in all fill in the blanks part. Question number 3, word problem. If box of chocolate weight 1.25 kg, what is weight of 100 such boxes? In previous videos I told you, if one thing's value is given and more things value is need to find, in that case you will multiply. Here one box of chocolates weight 1.25 kg. You need to find 100 such boxes there. How you will find? You will find by multiplication. First write down the step, then start multiplying. Since weight of one box equal to 1.25 kg. Therefore, weight of hundred boxes equal to 1.25 multiplied by 100. How you will multiply it? You will multiply it by sort method. Here 1.25 decimal and in 100 there are 2 zeros. Then decimal place will shift 2 place right side and it will come 125.0 kg. This will be your answer. Okay, then try to complete exercise 5s. Thank you.